In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a custom notification in Salesforce using Flow, or as some of you might know it, Flow Builder. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to make the most out of their Salesforce setup, and it's going to take us just about 5 minutes to get through these steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to hop into Salesforce. Once you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which indicates your settings. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the drop-down menu. From there, you'll navigate to Setup. This is your main hub for all things configuration related in Salesforce. Here, we're specifically interested in the Notifications Builder. Click on Notifications Builder to proceed. Once you're in the Notification Builder section, you will find an option to work with custom notifications. Select that. Custom notifications allow you to define how notifications are displayed and on which channels they appear, meaning whether users will be notified on mobile, desktop, or other specified mediums. Next, look for the New button. Clicking it will prompt you to create a new custom notification. You'll need to provide a name for your notification. This should be intuitive and descriptive enough so that you or others can easily identify its purpose later on. You will also need to select the supported channels where this notification should be sent, such as mobile or desktop. With that set up, let's head back over to the setup menu from earlier. This time, we're going to search for flows. Use the quick find bar to do so by typing in flows. Once you find it, click to open. Now, it's time to create our flow. Click on New Flow, and from the options that appear, choose Record Triggered Flow. Record triggered flows are great because they allow actions to be executed automatically whenever any specific record changes occur that match your defined conditions. These are powerful for automation and efficiency. Now configure your trigger. This involves setting the conditions under which your flow will activate. Take your time here to ensure you're targeting the correct changes, as this will set the foundation for your custom notification. Once inside your flow, you need to add an action. To do this, look for the option to insert a new action step. Here you'll search for notification. You will then see the Send Custom Notification option. Select it. The next step is configuring the action to define what your notification will entail. Specify the message, the recipients, and any other details pertinent to your business processes. Finally, once you've completed configuring your action, be sure to click Save. After saving, don't forget to activate the flow. Activating it makes it live and ensures your setup will execute as planned when the specified conditions are met. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a custom notification in Salesforce using Flow Builder. This setup will help streamline your processes and ensure that the right notifications reach the intended users at the right time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this was helpful.